I'm here today to talk to you briefly about a new project that the school has for turf replacement at Ryan Field at Bethany College. You know, Bethany was a special place for me, and I'm thinking also for many of you. It was a place where we could pursue our academic pursuits. We could enjoy an excellent social environment that resulted in many friendships that last to this day. And at this time, the school is in need of replacing this turf after many, many years of use. Thanks to my brothers at Psi Chapter, the Betas have put up $150,000 towards our $500,000 goal. But we all need you to participate. So the Betas are willing to match, dollar for dollar, any gift you have. So no gift is too small. And as you consider giving to the school, think about how important it is to the student athletes attending Bethany today, as well as the many student athletes yet to come. Our student athletes comprise a large portion of our student population, and so it's very important to the future of the school. Please also consider, as you make your gift, thinking about Bethany mentors you may have had in the past. We've lost a few great ones this last year. Think about Bob Goyne, Joe Curry, and for all my Bethany 1980 football champion brothers, Coach Alt would have it no other way. So you'll be receiving a letter very soon instructing you how you can participate and donate as well. Please consider this in your giving for the school this year. We do not take lightly how your giving has been in the past, and we thank you very much for that. I hope to see many of you at homecoming this year as we will be celebrating our new turf and hopefully a Bison win. So again, thanks for your support. I'm glad I'm a Beta. I'm glad I'm a Bison. Godspeed, alma mater, and dear old Bethany.